Good morning, everyone.
Everybody.
Guess what? It snowed.
We got snow.
You ready, Dawn?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Good morning, everyone. We are here in Sevierville. We figured we start this vlog off at the Dolly Parton statue, and of course the beautiful Christmas tree. So we're going to drive all over Sevier County, Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, and see what kind of snow we got. We're at Patriot Park. I believe we come here every time when it snows. The Jeep's got a little snow on it. We are here at Patriot Park this morning and definitely got a lot of snow. It's actually quite a bit of snow. I'd say probably about 3 inches. What, you got a snowball? Hey, come on. Don't be doing that. But we're here at Patriot Park. We got a lot of memories here. Bringing honey bear and that every time it snows. So it's kind of a tradition to come to Patriot Park when it snows. And look at this, everyone. Wow. We're trying to get into Gatlinburg, but the spur 441 is closed going into Gatlinburg for ice and snow. So we're kind of stuck right now here in Pigeon Forge. trying to get into Gatlinburg, and the spur is actually closed at the moment. They say for ice and snow. I don't know how long it'll be closed for. You see people are being rerouted back into Pigeon Forge. So we're gonna take the back way into Gatlinburg, seeing we can't take the spur. This road here could be quite treacherous too, so we'll take it easy and just enjoy all the snow. Look at that. Beautiful. So now we're gonna head out to Wares Valley, seeing we can't get into Gatlinburg. We're gonna make a little drive out here, and we'll see if we get back in Gatlinburg a little later. There's no power out here on 321 here. You'll notice the stoplight is out. Weigel's gas station is out of power there. So the snowstorm has knocked out a lot of different things. Looks like Goats on a Roof is closed too. Oh wow, just beautiful. Look at that.
Look how gorgeous this is.
What would Bob Ross say? Happy little trees.
Happy little trees covered in snow.
Oh, and there's also a tree down there too. Absolutely beautiful though. So the national park is still closed. And we couldn't get into Gatlinburg. Gatlinburg is actually pretty shut down. And there's a lot of trees coming down.
Boy.
Yes.
That one's on the power line, Will. Oh. That tree's laying on the power line.
Oh wow, yeah, that's not cool.
I don't know about this.
Yeah, I don't know about that either.
Oh, I don't like this at all.
tree down.
Oh boy.
Yeah, this is Where's Valley Road. Look at this. The trees have fallen down all over. And I think we're going to turn around. We're not even going to make it into Where's Valley. That's just too much. And trees are still coming off the mountain. And I don't want to be stuck out here in Where's Valley because really there's no way out of Where's Valley if this gets blocked off again. So we're gonna turn around, but we're almost to the valley. The valley's just over there. It's just too dangerous. I've never seen that many trees ever come down like this. Looks like it's all the pines that have come down. We're back in Pigeon Forge again. Dollywood is closed for the season now. We're gonna take some back roads out of Pigeon Forge here. Oh wow, there's a tree in the road there. It's on that power line.
Oh boy. Oh.
So we're out here by Parrot Mountain now. Just absolutely beautiful in here. Love how the barbed wire fence got a little bit of snow clinging to it. Of course, Parent Mountain is closed for the season. And just like that, that's the end of our trip this way. Almost every single one of these roads are close to fallen trees.
We're back here in the studio.
Yes, and there's a lot of trees. Storm brought a lot of snow, but also brought down a lot of trees at that. We couldn't get into Gatlinburg. The spur was blocked off. All the back roads going into Gatlinburg were blocked off. Even on our way home, we had to kind of go around a tree that had fallen after we've already come through this morning. Wares Valley was a wreck. It was pretty bad. This was probably the worst winter storm I've seen where all the trees were down. Usually we get around no problems. So yeah, we come home. We didn't make it to National Park. The National Park is still closed as we speak. I don't even know if it's going to even open today. It'll probably be tomorrow. But folks, that's going to do it for today here in, well, the studio here in the Great Smoky Mountains. If you guys like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. We love you. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.